Hello children, good morning. Welcome to the English class. So today we'll discuss on basic English grammar, that is syllable. Children, wherever we are going, we need to speak in English and that too fluently nowadays, isn't it? So to learn English, you need to know a lot of vocabulary, that is new words, and also you need to know the perfect way of speaking English through the proper knowledge of grammar. So today we'll learn why we need English, why this language is so important and what is syllable. Okay, so let's start with the language first, that is basic English grammar and syllable. Now we'll discuss why English is so important. English is the most used language in the world. It is the language of international communication. It is the language of the internet, the media, and is spoken in more than 100 countries all over the world. Now, for socializing, for knowing, learning English is important for socializing, for communicating with people who came from different nationalities. Now, what is the importance of this language in India? Let's see. English serves as the connector between people speaking different mother tongues. English plays an important role in the domains of education, administration, business, and political relations, judiciary, industry, etc. It's a passport to social mobility, higher education, and better job opportunities. In urban India, you can see that a lot of people speaks English, both code mixing and code switching between English and other Indian languages. So you need to learn English for these variety of reasons. What is language? Language is the method of human communication, either spoken or written, consisting the use of words in a structured and conventional way. You need to know language to communicate. So, English language is mainly composed of how many letters? Yes, 26 letters. Those are known as the alphabets, and this can be used for printing or writing. Based on this, we have four varieties of writing alphabets. First one is we can have a print capital letters A to Z, or we can have a print small letters of A to Z and cursive capital letters and cursive small letters. Children, you have to write and practice these four types of writing alphabets. Okay. Now next is, in our English alphabet, we have divided these alphabets into two groups. One is vowels, that is A, E, I, O, U, 5 in numbers, and also the other one is consonant, that is B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z, that is 21 in number. Now what is a syllable? A syllable is the vowel sound, a word or part of word which creates a sound. The number of times you hear a vowel sound in a word is the number of syllables in that word. As I said, how many vowels we are having in English? We are having 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. So, like we are having vowels in Hindi, O, A, E, I, U, A, I, O, Ong, Aha. Similarly, in English, the vowel sound, the sound that is created is called the syllables. Suppose the rule 1 is, suppose we are having a word in which there is no vowels, like CRY, cry. It doesn't have any vowels. A, E, I, O, U is not there. But you can hear a vowel sound. If you will break up, kra, a, y, cry. So you can hear one vowel sound even if there is no vowel. A, E, I, O, U is present. So it has only one syllable. Done? Now suppose I'll say another word, fry. Similarly, fry doesn't have a vowel sound, but you can hear a vowel sound. So there is also one syllable. Now the rule 2 is, when two or more vowels are next to each other, the number of syllables depends on the number of vowel sounds. Suppose I'll say one word, that is free. F-R-E-E. Here how many vowel sounds you can hear? Two vowels are there, E-E. or street, sweet, or take for a example sweet. So here also there are two vowel, but it creates only one vowel sound, E. So it has pre has one syllable, sweet has one syllable. Bio, bio, you can, if you'll break up, you can hear two sounds, I and O, A and O. So two syllables. Suppose I'll say precious. So in precious, even though we have E, I, O, U, four vowels, but we can hear only two sounds, that is A and A. So precious, precious is having only two syllables. So depending on the number of vowel sounds, we can determine the syllables. It doesn't have to do anything with the number of vowels present in a word. Okay. So if they will say ball, B-A-L-L, it is having a one vowel sound. So it has one syllable. Suppose I'll say another word, coin, C-O-I-N, coin. Coin is having two O and I, two vowels, but two vowels are mixed together. It is giving a sound oin, coin. So A is the only one vowel sound we can hear. So even though it has two vowels, it has only one syllable. Now let's discuss the rule number 3. If a vowel is silent, it is not counted as a syllable. Suppose we'll say fire. Suppose we'll say fire, file, or sign. In these words, you cannot hear, there is a hidden syllable. There is a vowel that doesn't create any sound. This vowel is silent. Okay, like hide or side, you can hear H, I and E. There are two vowels, but it creates a single sound. It has only one syllable. So if a vowel sound is silent, it is not counted. So let's see the examples. Important, E-O-A. So 3 syllables. Ordinary, O-E-O-E. 4 syllables. Amazing, A-I-A and E. So 3 syllables. Real, E and A. So it has 2 syllables. Title, we are saying title. So I, A, 2 syllables. Justification, so O, E, E, A, O. So I, A. So we are having in this how many syllables? Justification, O, Ja, O. Let's break this word. Whenever you are getting a word, you have to split it. You have to break this word on the basis of the sound it creates. Like O, E, E, A, O. So it is having 5 syllables. We will discuss some more examples, like let children you do few of your own examples. Write down tractor, T-R-A-C-T-O-R, sunset, ball, and tell me how many syllables are there. Let's find out the step 1. Basket. Suppose we will take a word basket. So find your vowels. First split your vowels apart to show each syllable with a vowel. Ba and et. Sk are the consonants. So count the consonants between your vowels. There are 2 consonants in this case. Find a syllable side for your middle consonants. In this case, you split between the consonants, move one to each side. Read each syllable. In this case, both are close. So both vowels are short. Basket. So how many sounds we are getting? A and E. So there are 2 syllables. Now to count syllables, you have to see the one vowel sound. Then split at the double consonants like butter, TT. 2 consonants, we have to split it. Split at the compound words. Suppose sunset, mailbox, doghouse. So 2 syllables, mailbox. Split at the consonant, vowel, consonant and consonant vowel. Suppose a vowel consonant, consonant vowel, elbow. So here L, A is a vowel sound and bow another vowel sound. So 2 syllables. Third is split the consonant followed by li. Turtle, cradle. or if you are joining a prefix or suffix like preview or kindness or or preset, pre-examine. So in this case we are splitting it into prefixes or suffixes, so 2 syllables. Similarly, if there is one letter between the vowels or if a word has 3 consonants between vowels, usually one goes to the left and 2 goes to the right, like conflict, bonus, visit or construct, table, sample, lion. If 2 vowels are next to each other but they are not a pair, then we have to split between them, lion. And also we can find out some of the 3 syllable words like consonant, a, t. Or you can split it into consonant or consonant. So you are having 3 syllables. So we can learn if a vowel, consonant, vowel is there, or if a vowel, consonant, 3 consonants with a vowel. And there are few fun ways to learn the syllable, like the jumping method. Whenever you are saying a sound, whenever you are finding a sound, suppose I'll say sunset. So sunset, you can clap for 2 times and you will get the syllables. Or the hum method, you can say in your mouth, putting that, hum the word instead of saying the word. So you can count the number of sounds. Or you can clap with each syllable sound, with each vowel sound you can clap and get the syllables. Or you can say like a robot. Suppose I have to say cat. So cat, if a robot will say, how the robot will say? Cat, cat. So you can hear only one vowel sound. Or teacher. So teacher, you are having 2 vowel sounds or 2 syllables. Next one is the 4 fun ways to count your syllables. Children, you apply this and learn new words with their syllables. Goodbye.